Most businesses are still paying someone to answer the phone. Most businesses are still paying someone to answer the phone. I built an AI that does it better. 24/7, never calls in sick. And it took me less than 20, and it took me less than 10, and it took me less than 10 minutes and got paid over 250 US dollars for 10 minutes worth of work. And I'm going to show you exactly how to build one right now using Retell AI. So what is Retell AI? Retell AI is a platform that allows you to build AI voice agents and WhatsApp chatbots. So what is Retell AI? Retell AI is a platform that allows you to build voice agents and chatbots. AI that can basically make and receive calls, answer messages on WhatsApp or Instagram, hold full conversations, answer questions, book appointments, whatever you need. Scary stuff, I know. It's what I use for my clients at Iron Logic AI. And it's also the cheapest low bar to entry platform out there for this. It's, to be honest, it's the best platform for this genre. So I'm gonna walk you through how to set up a retail AI account, then walk you through building your first AI agent. So let's get into it. So first thing you need to do is create a retail AI account. So AI.com, search this in your browser. This will come up. When this comes up, you press try for free. I mean, that's what I'm showing them. And it's not over. So in so first thing you need to do is go to retail AI. So once you are at retail AI, one platform, press try for free. Will redirect you to this page. You can sign with your Gmail account, which I recommend you do. It's the fastest method for this. So go through the verification process. So once you've done that, you should land on a page like this. Obviously, it should not have these agents. These are my agents that I created, but it should have at least one agent preset with the system. So the first thing you need to do is press the agents right here, then press create an agent. So choose between a voice agent and a chat agent. For this demo, I'm going to show you how to, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a voice agent specifically. So click voice agent, single plot or conversation flow. Conversation flow is when you're basically building it for a client or building it to go live. The single prompt is basically just demo purposes. So for this one, I'm just gonna go the single prompt version. So if you scroll down on the templates, you have a template between receptionist, outbound sales and reactivation, appointment booking, lead qualification, customer support, etc. But for this one, let's just say blank slate. Okay. So here is where you put your prompt, right? The system instructions. So the agent will follow this before it says anything, basically. So I want you to go over to Claude, type write a system prompt for my AI voice agent on retail. Yeah. So it should give you a system prompt and then you just copy and paste that into the section I'm about to show you. So if it asks you a few questions like this, ask a few questions before whatever. So who are you? So if it asks you a few questions like what is this agent, what is a voice agent for, stuff like that, then just answer it. Mine is showing me this because I use Claude mainly for my business purposes and it knows my target audience basically. So it already knows that these are people I'm gonna target. So this has a preset. So just say other. I'm making a demo. But you can obviously just write anything you want. Just I want a voice agent that qualifies my leads, that me signs up new applicants to a new school or helps me manage inbound calls, anything you want, literally anything. So, receptionist, you can message and log information on you. So, we're gonna ask Claude to create our system prompt. So, go over to Claude or ChatGPT, ask it. So, hey, I'm making a video on how to create a AI voice agent. Create a demo for a fake business, AI receptionist for a fake business that that needs inbound lead qualification. Her name is Area. She is Jamaican. Okay. So once that prompt comes through, just copy and paste that over into the system section. So right here, copy and paste that prompt here. Okay, so once you have the system prompt over here, you go right there. So once you have the system prompt over here, you can go ahead and test it like this. So press run test, allow. Oh, and make sure before you test her, you unselect this. So user speaks first, but if the AI speaks first, then I message. Yeah.
Hey there. Thank you for calling SunBright Solar Solutions. This is Era. How can I help you today?
So as you can see, she works already, but we want to refine her a bit more. So up here is basically the brain of the system. So she runs on ChatGPT 4.1, which is the LLM. So if you want her to be smarter or faster, you would obviously change or configure the model to your choosing basically. So for this one, I want her to be a bit smarter. So I'm going to use 5.1, the fast tier. Her voice, you can change her voice by clicking on this tab right here, right at the top. So we're gonna try. Oh, and also you can clone a voice as well. So if you have a voice, maybe you clone their own voice and want to use a voice as the agent's primary voice, you can just click here to add the agent, to add your own voice. And the agent would use her voice and answer calls on your behalf, basically as a second viewer. So let's go through a few of these.
Whether it's one caller or 100, I'm here to ensure every.
And try to find the best one.
Whether it's one caller or 100.
Helping customers, saving money, and scaling your service. I do it all without skipping.
Hi, I'm Nico.
Helping customers, saving.
This is your AI assistant.
Hey, I'm.
Hi, this is Rita.
This is your AI assistant.
This is your AI.
Whether it's one caller or 100, I'm here to ensure everyone.
Ya sea una llamada o ayuda a los clientes. Whether it's one caller, helping customers. Whether it's one caller or 100, I'm helping customers, saving money, and scaling your service. I do it all without.
So for this one, I chose to use Merit.
Helping customers, saving money, and scaling your service. I do it all without skipping a beat.
Or you could use custom providers as well. So Eleven Labs is one of the best ones in my opinion.
Hi, I'm Adrian, your friendly virtual helper, always here to make your daily tasks.
Hey, I'm Brian, ready to get going. Whatever you need, consider it done promptly. What are we working on right now?
Hello, I'm Julia. What's on?
Hello, I'm Catherine, your sturdy AI support.
Helping customers, saving money, and scaling.
Greetings. Meet Steve, your virtual.
Hi, I'm Zuri. Just let me know what you need and I'm here to help.
Salutations. I'm Santiago, your digital huntsman.
Welcome. Say hello to Corolla, your trusted AI ally on a mission.
Salutations. I'm Santiago, your digital
huntsman. Santiago. So I'm gonna edit mine and say, okay. So once you have the voice agent, okay. So once you have chosen your voice agent or the voice you want to use for the agent, click here to select the language you want her to speak in. So if you want multiple languages, select multiple language. So multi-select. So English, Spanish. Let's do German. Speak a bit of German as well. So let's try those 3 languages. I have 4 languages. Yeah. So the agent the agent understands multiple languages. So not just English or Spanish or one single language. It has the ability to understand up to 20 different languages at a single time. So if a Chinese person calls, a Middle Eastern person calls, a European person calls, an American person calls, we'll have the ability to speak to them with equal fluency. So it's not going to stammer or stumble over its words. It's going to talk as if it was a native. So that is the power of AI. So once you have all that configured, you've chosen the languages you wanted to speak in, you can go over here, which is the agent handbook. So this basically says personal. So once you've chosen your languages, you can go over here to the agent handbook. So the agent handbook set agent guidelines with these embedded best practice prompts. So basically directs the agent's direction or installs guardrails so the agent can't do certain things or basically help it along a certain path, basically. So professional personality makes your agent sound like a great professional rep. Won't repeat its introduction unless asked. Okay. Not try to fill a word. Yeah. Okay. So that should be good enough for this demo. So once you've had all that configured, if you have, it is still okay. Since we have all of it configured, we can get into the live testing now. But remember, if you missed any part of the demo or you don't understand a certain part, you can always rewind and come back here later. Okay. So once you've done all that, press run test.
Hey there, thank you for calling SunBright Solar Solutions. This is Santiago. How can I help you today?
Santiago, I'd like to know your prices, please.
Yeah, thanks for calling in about that. So I actually don't share specific. Yeah, thanks for asking about that. We don't give one flat price because the cost really depends on your roof, your JPS bill, and the size system you need. What I can do is set you up for a free consultation so our advisor can give you proper numbers for your home or business. Does that work for you?
Gracias, Santiago. Mi inglés no bien. ¿Tú hablas español, por favor?
Sí, hablo español, no hay problema. Podemos seguir en español. ¿Nos llamas por una casa residencial o por un negocio?
Sí, sí, sí. Gracias. ¿Tú hablas Deutsch? ¿Deutschland?
Sí, entiendo un poco de alemán también, pero hablo mucho mejor español para ayudarte bien con la
¿Hablas
información
Deutsch,
de...
please? ¿Hablas German?
Sí, entiendo alemán también. No hay problema. Podemos hablar en alemán si te ayuda más. Sag mir bitte, geht es um ein
Okay.
Wohnhaus oder
Santiago,
um ein... Ja, alles gut, ich bin da. Geht es um ein
speak English,
Wohnhaus oder um ein...
please.
No problem at all. We can do English. So, just to help you with pricing, are you calling about a residential home or a business property?
No, this is actually a demo, so I'm just showcasing your capabilities. So speak in German for me, please.
Ja, alles klar, können wir gerne auf Deutsch weiterreden. Wie kann ich dir SunBright Solar am besten vorführen? Soll ich so tun, als wärst du ein Hausbesitzer in Jamaika, der Solar will? Oder möchtest du lieber nur ein lockeres Beispielgespräch hören?
Sí, Garcias, hablas español, please, por favor.
Sí, hablo español, no hay problema. Podemos seguir en español, pero como esto es solo una demostración, voy a cerrar la llamada aquí para no tomar más tiempo. Cuando estés listo,
Okay. ¿Tú hablas francés?
parece que ahora mismo solo estás probando el sistema y cambiando de
Reply in
idioma un
English,
poco por
please.
diversión.
Reply in English.
No problem, I'll switch back to English. Since this is just a demo and you're testing different languages, I'm going to wrap up here so the line stays free for real callers. If you ever need solar for a home or business in Jamaica, you can call back and ask for a free consultation with SunBright Solar Solutions. Have a good one.
He hung up on me. Guys, seen this? He hung up on me. Yeah, so that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you learn a lot. I hope you guys make a lot of money off of this, just like I am trying to make money off of this. And also, if you want a solution like this for your business, you can always DM me at Damarley Powell. And also, if you want a solution like this for your business, you can always email me at ironlogic.business. And if you want a solution, and also, if you want a solution like this for your business, you can always email me at ironlogicai.business@gmail.com or message me on WhatsApp at 876-860-0442. And remember, if you're not actively using AI, and remember, AI won't replace you if you know how to use it. All right, that number